Hello everybody and welcome to Rojo Resin. Today we're going to be using our high-grade epoxy resin to create some stunning coasters and a coaster holder. So first of all we get the resin part A. Our resins are 2:1 by weight. So we're going to start off with 280 grams of part A. And then we're going to put in 140 grams of part B. Now a little pro tip there, you saw the scale was reset to 0. This way we know we just need to take it to 140 grams and we have our full amount and our exact 2:1 mix. So then we mix the resin thoroughly, making sure you scrape all the sides of the pot to ensure everything is fully combined. So here we're just separating out a little bit of the resin so that we can add the two different colours. Today we're using a white resin dye paste for the bulk of the colour. This dye paste is very concentrated, so you don't need too much. And then we've got some resin dye paste in black going into the smaller quantity. Giving them a good mix. You can see the pastes mix really quickly. When you're mixing, if you pull the stirring stick out, you can see how well the mixing is going. Once we're happy that they're fully mixed, we're then going to get an empty container and we're going to do what we classify as a dirty pour. We're going to add the colours alternately to get this effect. If you have more than 2 colours, then just add them randomly. The idea is to just put them together in the pot. We just want them to come together naturally. And you can repeat this process as many times as you like. Once we've got this mix fully combined, we'll then take it over to our resin coaster holder and coaster set. As you can see, there's the combination that's just been left to sit on its own. Now when we pour the coaster holder, make sure that you pour this nice and steady to allow all the air to come out from around the silicone mould so that we reduce the risk of any bubbles in the finished piece. Once you've done that, you can then pour out the remaining resin into your coaster moulds. We recommend pouring out a small amount first. You can see how the mixed resin in the cup just comes out with the random black and white. Just let them settle for a second. And then we just top them up, making sure you fill the coasters right to the very top of the silicone molds. So here we just add some isopropyl alcohol to the coasters to give them not only a stunning look, but this helps to degas any of the remaining bubbles that may have come to the surface. And there you have it, Rojo resin sat in the moulds looking like glass. Now we just leave them for 72 hours to set, and then we can demold them and see the finished product. These coasters came out really nice. The silicone moulds peeled off the cured resin easily and cleanly. Just make sure you're gentle when you demold more complicated pieces, so you don't damage the mould itself so you can use it time and time again. Just be careful of any cured resin edges, as these can be sharp and may need deburring. And there we have it, a beautiful glassy set of coasters complete with holder. Why not get yourself or a loved one a kit and see where your imagination takes you? Whether a seasoned artist or a complete beginner, these kits are super easy to use. To see more from Rojo Resin, like, follow and subscribe to make sure we come up on your feeds. To see more products, please visit our website.